Now, the remains of a Filipino crew member who drowned after MV Eternity Sea was attacked by Houthi rebels in the Red Sea has been repatriated to Manila. Here is the report.
The remains of one of the 3 Filipino crew members who died aboard MV Eternity Sea arrived in Manila on Saturday. The ship was attacked by Houthi rebels in the Red Sea in July while en route to Somalia.
May proseso ho kasi yan na clearance from the host country. Of course, one would be yun pong sa report of death. So, inaasikaso pa ho yan. Migrant Workers Office would have to coordinate with the mortuary.
The family of the deceased will receive financial assistance. Last Thursday, 9 crew members arrived in the Philippines after being held captive by the rebel group for 5 months.
Yun pong 9 ay sila po ay sabihin po natin they were held captive and so it took some time. They were assisted, they were saved, they were rescued by the foreign authorities.
They are now undergoing documentation and medical checkups.
Dahil after going through 5 months na sila po ay hindi natin alam kung anong na mga pangyayari sa kanila. So may mga stress debriefing at medical check-up po.
The DMW will also verify the crew members' right to refuse to sail was respected. The agency has previously advised against sailing in the Red Sea due to the attack and continues to remind licensed manning agencies and seafarers of this right.
Kailangan po ay hindi yan mapaparusahan yung officer or yung seafarer kung siya ay ayaw tumuloy sa kanyang paglalayag. Hindi ito dapat taken against you or to prevent you from boarding another vessel kasi baka maapektuhan ang kanyang opportunity to be on board again. So it should not be taken against the seafarer.
1 seafarer remains missing.
Sana ito na yung huling pangyayari na merong ma-held hostage or captive by the rebels.